Neighboring states are welcoming NRI, but ruling MLAs of Goa are not bothered about bringing back Goans who are stranded abroad. Airlift stranded Goans without putting any economic pressure on them. Goa Forward Congress and Seafarers Association demanded with Chief Secretary on Tuesday. Goa Forward Chief Vijay Sardesai, MLAs Vinod Palekar, Jay Salgaonkar, Congress MLA Alex Reginald, members of Seafarers Association met Chief Secretary and gave him a memorandum. They demanded that outsiders not be allowed into the state without testing and no difference should be made with regard to paid quarantine. Give white paper on quarantine process and start Vande Bharat airlift mission for the seafarers stranded abroad, they said.
Please do not discriminate. Let our brothers come back because they need to go back again. The more delay it takes for the ships to come, the more delay for them to come home, they will lose their jobs. And Goa government have not have a capacity to give everybody job. Plus the people from the Gulf, they are also losing their jobs. They are not rich people. They are lost their companies will never pay this quarantine money and they don't have money for 2 months. They are pleading. Not even one flight, Vande Bharat mission have not landed to Goa yet. Where is your Vande Bharat mission flight? In Kuwait itself, we have 85,000 Goans. All over Gulf, UAE have 1.5 lakhs in Goans. And I know from my capacity, from ours, we have got individually one person to Kerala, to Bombay. Even this government have not bought even one flight to Goa. And I would like to ask our MLAs who are there from Salsette especially, to me, Gulfak आहे ते लोकांक, कुवेट आहे ते लोकांक, दुबय सगळे गोंया हाडपाक तुम्ही अजून फ्लायटाक कित्याक डिमांड केला ना? So you see Kerala per day 15 flights, per week 15 flights. Kerala, Gujarat, Kerala, Delhi, Kerala, all are coming to Kerala. Why? Their government is welcoming the NRIs because even yesterday the statement made by Kerala Chief Minister, we welcome our NRIs because they are the backbone of our economy. So today we have been almost asking, so please government, even 7 days is good, but still do not discriminate. If people from Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, from hot zone, they can pay 2,000 and come home when they were not quarantined. Our brothers or the seafarers who have been 60 days on board, tested, COVID, everything is there. They are free, they are clean. Plus 800 who are here, they are the example. They have been negative, still they are struggling to come home. So this is not fair. So we ask the government, please reconsider. Let our seafarers also, the Gulf who are coming from the Gulf countries also, have the same procedure, do that COVID test and go home for home quarantine.
आमचे डिमांड आसा की एक म्हणल्यार डू अवे विथ द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. हें जें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आहा तें काडून उडयात, सगळ्यांक इक्वेलिटी दियात. जे नॉन गोवन्स येतात तांकां टेस्टींग कंपल्सरी करातूच. तांकां तुमी कशें घेतात तशें भितर तांचे एक हें दिता, एफिडेवीट दिता आनी ताचेर तुमी तांकां भितर घेता. सो गोवा स्पेसिफीक SOP म्हणटा तो जावपाक जाय. गोंयकारांचो जर सरकार हो जाल्यार गोवा स्पेसिफीक SOP जावंकूच जाय.
Congress MLA Alex Reginald explained the situation faced by the seafarers stranded abroad. While a member of Seafarer Association says government has completely ignored the issues of seafarers.
भायरसान लोक आहाय थोडे कॅम्पान आहाय, कुवेट, UAE थोडे कॅम्पान आहाय, तेंगे हें कापा जालो आहा तेंगेलें नो, their contract is over. The moment contract is over, their insurance is closed. Moment insurance is closed, health तांकां हें मेळना. If something happens, touch wood, कितें जालें जाल्यार आज तांकां हॉस्पिटल केअर मेळना तांकां. They are on the road, रस्त्यार आहाय, तांकां सॅलरी ना, तांकां जेवण सारकें ना. आयडेंटिफाय कर, तांकां पयलीं हाड, तेंय सॉल्व ना. कोणा पण गेल ना, थिंगा मायनींग ट्रक कितको भितर हाडपाचें बेगीन तें चालू आहा. मोडक कितको स्टार्ट करपाचो तें चालू आहा. कॅजिनो केदो कॉमर्स करया त्यो डेट फिक्स जाताय, तें डेट पडोवंक लागले ते मोडक्या नंबरा मशीन हाल्या पोरां तेश कोन्न डेट पडपा लागले. ऑल दीस इज नॉट इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ गोवा. सो मुगे मागणें गव्हर्मेंटाक, लिसन टू द वॉयस ऑफ द पीपल. डोंट बी अ गव्हर्मेंट विच इज फॉर प्रो रीच.
हे पेड क्वॉरंटायन कित्याक लागून? कित्याक आमगे हितून जॉब इफेक्ट जातले. कंपनी वील नेवर हायर बॅक. गोवा इज अ स्मॉल स्टेट. कंपनी ऑल द टायम नाका, हे स्टेटी आमकां मनीस नाका. कंपनीन सद्या इतली बर्डन घेयलो आहा ते आमकां खंयच्या गांवां सावन आमकां आमगे गांवां पावोवपाक हितून बर्डन घेयलो आहा. आमगे स्टेट हे भाशेन आमगे स्टेट आमगे कंपनी हे भाशेन टॉर्चर करता. पे क्वारंटायन कर म्हणटा वी गोना डेफिनेटली लूज आवर जॉब्स आनी वी एज अ सी फेरर्स वी हॅव ब्रेड एंड बटर फॉर आवर फॅमिलीज हाले आमगे जॉब गेले जाल्यार गोवोरमेंटाच्या आमकां जॉब दिवपा जावपा नाय गोवोरमेंटा कडेन इतली कॅपेसिटी आसपा ना हे सगळे सीफेरार जॉब दिवपाक सो वाय वी आर फायटींग कित्याक आमकां आमगे कंपनीचें बर्डन घायलो आमकां नाका कंपनी आर डुईंग बीग फेवर्स फॉर अस ते आमकां आमगे स्टेटी आमकां हाड पावयताय तर पासून आमगे गोवोरमेंट आमकां कांयच करपा सोदना हेजें आमकां दिसता आमकां आमगे गोवोरमेंट आमकां सीफेराजांक कांयच वॅल्यू दिना.
Aniket Narvekar for Goa 365 from Pune.